Hi there, today I'm going to tell you about density. So this is really dense because it's so squashed together, and this is lesser dense. So what you need is an empty jar, syrup, oil, food colouring, water and some little objects. First, you pour all of the syrup into the empty jar. Open it up. This really hurts your hand, so maybe ask a grown-up to help you. This was enough. So now I pour the oil slowly into the empty dish. You need to pour it in slowly. Now, next, I pour the food colouring into the water. So, here it is. Now, I need to spin it up with this. Now, I'm going to pour the water into the jar. Do it slowly. So, I have some little objects. I don't know if they're going to sink or float. So, first, I'm going to put the metal key in there. This will sink to the bottom. Watch. Hey, where are you, key? This happened because the key is denser than the syrup. Now, here comes the grape. This happened because the grape is denser than the water. I'm gonna do the peanuts. One way. Oh ho ho! Wait. Oh ho ho! This happened because the peanuts are denser than the oil. Now, here comes the sponge. The sponge is less denser than everything. We have the metal at the bottom, the grape nearly at the bottom, the peanuts on the blue zone, the brick on the top, and the sponge on the top. I hope you like this new experiment. I hope you click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell with your computer or on the TV. Bye!